abarukutura mu nsisiro ezibiri eya Kiduku hamwe na Bwitho nabagira ngu nibatura mu mbeera mbi kandi ngu n'obuheereza tibabwine.
Wamabelwa lomwachiru nomubanga kutekwa kwa katanda engudayika kaleri kulebyamu.
Even if they carry you on the sticks, it is hard to carry you.
Amanyumba mako mchayi hinzula ebintu byosumbe kwa mchayi kayunzula mu manyumba.
Houses were destroyed with properties inside as a result of not impassable. So the roads the vehicles cannot reach there. That's why you have gathered here.
Abebembezi nabajang kwiho mwejemurwe gutahirira abantu aba embeera yabo ekahinduka yabambi.
Amanyumba ngawe wacheyimania makania kwayo abantu abalemu abantu babiro kweramu nginjenge senu ngali mukokali ngana ucho mwana wayikasomera kwera bete sinde syabrandana.
They did damage. You just see real damage. Someone's whole land and household, everything, structures were raised.
Kiduku camp had a lot of challenges. The road was not reaching there. So the things we received them here at the camp where we had stationed. We were called to come and receive them here.
Edward Mwebaze orukuru rwo mu kitongole cya Oxfam Uganda abahireyo obuhwezi aha abantu ari mu nsisirezi ayerekera oburemezi obw'abantu aba bari kuturamu.
So we want to encourage them to really build on the indigenous knowledge. They talked about some of it in protecting their environment so that at least we can reduce the impact of this.
Mu kwezi kwa gatanu mwaka ogu amaka gari kurenga nkaga gakatwara umwejemure kandi abaturano bagira ngu ekizibu eki kikaba cyabireho omuriro kumorwenda nkaga nebiri. Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.